we've been establishing relationships with the advocacy groups. There are not many. Once again, it's a small disease area, but we've identified those advocacy groups that are involved in this area, and we're speaking with them. We only recently acquired this drug, so we're understanding and developing relationships with the physician community, with the patient community, with advocacy, and we will be working closely with them as we move towards approval of the drug and then use of the drug once approval has been granted. Yeah, so this is a very severe disease, and unfortunately a lot of patients die from this disease. And up until now, there has not been an approved drug for the indication of primary HLH. There have been drugs that have treated the syndrome, but nothing's been approved specifically for this disease. So this would be the first time that a drug has been approved for the indication to treat primary HLH. So it's very exciting. The physician community are very excited about this product. Those that were involved in the clinical trial obviously have hands-on experience with the drug, and everyone in the community is really excited because, you know, when you have a low survival rate in patients, and now you're going to introduce treatment specifically for that condition. Well, the primary endpoint in the trial was response rates. So what they measured was how was the response to treatment in terms of reduction of fever, reducing the size of the liver and the spleen, improving the blood parameters, reducing ferritin levels, reducing inflammatory cytokines, increasing the fibrinogen, which is very low, and you need to get that up, otherwise you're in trouble with bleeding disorders. So we saw in the clinical trial that a number of those endpoints improved, and the response rates were achieved. So there was a statistically significant response rate based on those primary endpoints. We also looked at survival data, and that information will be presented at the appropriate time when presented at international meetings and published in a manuscript.